Training OpenAI for text generation. Name. Data collection. Description. Gather large and diverse text datasets relevant to the target domain or task. Name. Data preprocessing. Description. Clean and preprocess the collected data to ensure consistency and prepare it for model training. Substeps. Tokenization. Apply appropriate tokenization methods, e.g., BPE, word piece to convert text into numerical representations. Data normalization. Normalize text data by handling capitalization, punctuation, and special characters. Data augmentation optional. Increase dataset size through techniques like paraphrasing or adding synthetic data. Name. Model selection. Description. Choose an appropriate OpenAI model architecture based on the specific requirements of the text. Generation task. Options. GPT Generative Pre-trained Transformer. GPT-2. GPT-3. Name. Model initialization. Description. Initialize the selected model architecture with pre-trained weights or from scratch, depending on available resources and task specifics. Name. Training setup. Description. Configure training parameters and environment for optimal model performance. Substeps. Hyperparameter tuning. Adjust learning rates, batch sizes, and other parameters based on experimentation and validation results. GPU-TPU utilization. Leverage hardware accelerators, e.g., GPUs, TPUs to expedite training time, especially for large-scale models. Name. Training process. Description. Train the model on the preprocessed dataset to learn text generation patterns and semantics. Substeps. Forward propagation. Process input sequences through multiple layers of the model, including attention mechanisms and feed-forward networks. Backward propagation. Update model weights using optimization techniques like stochastic gradient descent (SGD) to minimize loss. Name. Evaluation and validation. Description. Assess model performance and quality of generated text outputs through quantitative metrics and qualitative analysis. Substeps. Perplexity calculation. Measure how well the model predicts a sample or validation dataset. Human evaluation. Gather feedback from human evaluators to gauge text quality, coherence, and relevance. Name. Fine-tuning optional. Description. Fine-tune the trained model on domain-specific or task-specific data to improve performance and adaptation. Name. Deployment. Description. Deploy the trained model for inference in production environments or applications. Substeps. Model serialization. Save the trained model weights and configuration for future use. API integration. Integrate the model into applications or services to generate text responses in real time.